Today, we're unboxing the latest additions to AEMC's line of power and energy loggers, the PEL 112, PEL 113, and PEL 115, the complete lineup of the all-new PEL 110 series. These instruments are designed for electricians, facility managers, and engineers who need reliable tools for load profiling, energy audits, and real-time power analysis, all in compact, rugged casing. Let's start with the PEL 112. The 112 is built for demanding environments. With a cold weather operating range down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ready for tough conditions. Whether you're logging at a substation, construction site, or remote solar install, you can trust the instrument to keep working. No freezing displays, no battery failure, no downtime. The PEL 112 features a 200 millisecond acquisition rate. That's 5 times faster than the PEL 102. This means more data points, greater detail, and better visibility into short duration events like inrush currents of motors and rapid load changes. Faster logging means faster results, helping you detect issues sooner, analyze patterns more accurately, and make smarter decisions in dynamic environments. The PEL 112 is great for long-term installations and remote monitoring, offering the trusted performance of previous AEMC models with upgraded connectivity for your convenience and reliability. It's compact, efficient, and built with longevity in mind. Next, the PEL 113. Right out of the box, it offers the same reliable and precise performance as the PEL 112, but adds a backlit LCD screen. This makes it easy to check live data like voltage, current, power, and harmonics right at the installation site. The PEL 113 is a great tool for analyzing power factor, reactive power, and overall system performance. Also included for free, like all 100 series models, is our data view software that allows you to configure trends, alarms, and data collection, as well as set up reports from the collected data. With AEMC instruments, you own your own data. We don't charge you to access it. Additionally, you can use the PEL app for Androids, available on the Google Play Store. The app provides phasor diagrams, helping you quickly identify phase imbalance, wiring errors, or when one phase is out of sync. You can also remotely configure and see your measurements of your PEL instruments in real time on an Android device. The interface is simple but effective, ideal for quick checks in the field or on-site diagnostics without needing to rely on a PC or mobile device. And like its counterparts, the PEL 113 provides 200 millisecond speed acquisition, 5 times faster than the PEL 103. The PEL 113 essentially gives you the performance, reliability, and durability of the PEL 112, but provides real-time data reading capabilities on a heads-up LCD monochrome display, keeping you informed with accurate data while in the field. And here's the PEL 115, the more advanced of the new 110 series. Designed for the most demanding installations, this logger brings enhanced capabilities, rugged construction, and expanded inputs for advanced system analysis. The 115 is built for fieldwork. Whether you're working with harsh outdoor conditions, in an industrial facility, data center, or utility room, the PEL 115 is built to handle it. Its resilient shell, IP67 waterproof rating for the meter, leads, and sensors, and Cat 4 safety rating up to 1000 volts ensure it performs reliably, where and when it matters most. Since it can be powered directly from the voltage it's measuring, there's no need for an outlet or external power source. Perfect for remote installs with no infrastructure nearby. Where the PEL 112 and 113 offer 3 voltage and 3 current channels, the 115 adds a 4th voltage input and a 4th current channel, giving you the flexibility to monitor neutral to ground voltages or multiple load paths all in one install. Like the PEL 113, it logs everything from active, reactive, and apparent power to power factor and harmonics updates to the 50th order, all without any mechanical sensors. You can even log motor diagnostics within the free Android app. Like all 100 series models, data recording is updated continuously, with storage for months of data, trends, and automatic email alerts. And with Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and our data view software, you can monitor remotely in real time from anywhere you need to be. Whether you need reliable remote logging with the PEL 112, on-site visibility with the PEL 113, or advanced diagnostics and environmental protection with the PEL 115, the PEL 110 series gives you scalable solutions for any power monitoring challenge. These instruments are built with you in mind. PEL 112 and 113 feature a slim design with built-in magnets, making them easy to mount inside electrical panels and cabinets. The PEL 115, with its IP67 rated enclosure, is built for harsh environments, fully sealed against dust and water for reliable, long-term logging in the field. Whether you're running extended energy audits or performing real-time power analysis, the PEL 110 series delivers the accuracy, durability, and flexibility professionals count on, all backed by AEMC's trusted engineering.